Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorials. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to script Telegram group members data. In these tutorials, you are going to learn how to script any Telegram group members data using Telethon. So the first thing you do is you're going to do is installing Telethon on your computer. Then open your command prompt or terminal. Then type pipe install Telethon. If you already installed previously, so it will display a message requirement already satisfied, so you don't need to install again, but you can upgrade to the latest versions of Telethon. It contains a lot of modules to scrape Telegram groups or channel. The next step is get your credentials or authorize your Telegram account to the website my.telegram.org. Then go to the website my.telegram.org. But the first thing you make sure that is you should open a Telegram account using that same mobile number you are going to authorize to this website. Enter your phone mobile number here. Then click on next. It will send it to your Telegram account if you created the same with the same mobile numbers, and then copy the confirmation code from your Telegram account and paste here and sign it. Then you'll get this screen, and you can configure your API development tools or app configuration and get your credential. Here I already configured my APIs, but if you are new to this, you can enter app name, app title, and short name of your app. But it doesn't matter. You can give any name here. So the API ID and API hash are automatically generated by the system when you are authenticate your phone number to your Telegram account. Then the most important parts here are API ID and API hash. So you should keep secretly. You don't need to share for anyone else. So you should have to keep those credentials, and you should copy those credentials into your script, Python script, to scrape Telegram members data. Now go back to your editor, and the next step is just writing a script code to scrape the Telegram channel or group. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scrape any Telegram groups member data if you are a member of that group. And you also can scrape channel member data if you have admin permission, or you have admin access rights. You don't need to you don't have to be then you are going to import all the modules which are important to scrape Telegram channels or groups from Telethon library. From Telethon library, import Telegram client that going to establish that used to establish connection with Telegram client. And the other is get dialog request that going to get the chat request from Telegram group. And the other important time OS, SOS or system, CSCV, those are important modules you are going to import. Then the next step is instantiate your client's object using credentials you got from the website my.telegram.org. Then API ID you should copy from the website. You are authorized, authenticated from the website, and API hash is also important. So you should have to copy your API hash. You are already authenticated with the Telegram account, and your phone number, the one which is already authenticated with the Telegram account and the website. Then instantiate the object for the Telegram client, which takes those parameters as an argument: phone number, API ID, and API hash. So the most important, when you establish the connection, it will pass all the strings and authorize your account, Telegram account, with the number, the mobile number, API ID, and API hash. If you didn't create an account with the same number, it will not authorize, it will not send a request to your Telegram account, and also it will not authorize to the website my.telegram.org. And the third step is define your the async method. That async is a keyword. The newest, it supports the newest versions of Python. The async and await are the keywords for instead of waiting any HTTP request for an HTTP request to finish before continuing execution. So with Python async coroutine is async is a coroutines that you can submit the request and do any other work that's waiting in a queue while you are waiting for the HTTP requests to finish your execution. So it might take a bit more thinking to get the logic right, but you'll be able to handle a lot more work with less resources. So those keywords are most important, and it does support the latest versions of Python. And the last, this one is establish connection, and with this client, the instance of the Telegram client object name. Then in this client, we establish a connection, and the method, the loop returns or run until the main program, the main function program complete execution. Then go back to the sync diff method or method, and then define your empty list for chats and populate with the result which you'll get from get dialogues request, chats and groups. Then sending MIT values to this parameter, the variable parameters you are going to define here. The offset ID inside this awaits client get dialog requests. The dialog requests includes all those parameters which are offset ID, I mean date, and offset ID, offset pair, MPT, input pair MPT, and limits. This is the size. It will get the last 2,000 chats of the user from the group. And offset ID is also used for pagination. Then once you define this, you can extend the charts MIT list by passing result.charts that gets from this, that gets the dialogues request, and that includes the last 2,000 chats from the member. I mean the Telegram group. And the next step is append the chat to the groups list. Here we have created MPT groups, and for every chat we append to the groups list, groups team. And for every this is run inside a try catch function or block, and avoid any errors that getting if any errors. And because some chats do not have a mega group attribute at all, so it is basically we escape those using continue statement. So for every chat in chatters, try cache if the mega group is equals true. Actually here I do not use mega group. Just if it is true, then append the chat to the groups in MIT list. It iterates over and over, and it appends all the Telegram groups. Now the next step is ask users to select a list of Telegram group to scrape members. Then just write a message to them to inform the user, and this is I just initialize any number 0 or 1. For every group in groups, we already appended the list of chats in a group lists, and for every group in groups, just print the titles of that group, the name of the group, to be displayed on the screen, and the user can select one of the listed groups. Then I plus 1, this is just we consider this I as an index. For that, just one, it will display one this Telegram number, name, 2, 3, like that. And group index, just enter the group, select the one from the listed group names. If that group index is equal to MPT, if you selected MPT, it prints some message that is skipping this because you have selected an MPT or nothing, so it is skipping, and the time would be asleep in 1 microsecond, and the system will be exited. This 2 modules are important. That's why we have imported in the first lines of code. And else, if this is not, it pass these things. Else the else statement, and it prints any empty, it's nothing, and it may prints message just like fetching members. If you are select one of the Telegram group name, then it gonna fetch members data from that selected Telegram group, and it will sleep. 1 second, you can sleep that. Then target group, you can initialize target groups. That is a contains list of groups, Telegram group name, and this is the index that get from. If you select one, it will get the first, I mean the second list from the groups. Then get all Telegram group members, fetching members, again a message, and create immediate list all member which contains all members or scripted members from Telegram group, from selected Telegram group, and here all members assigned to client, that the object which is established a connection to the client, and that going to be get participants from that Telegram group. And target group, it's just pass a parameter target group that gets the name of the Telegram, Telegram, because here we pass an index of that Telegram list of the Telegram from the list, and here you just pass an additional parameter aggressive. Once you did this, just go to the next, just scripting. Store or Telegram group will be scripted here and store in a list of members, which contains name, first name, last name, and blah blah. Here we have to open file with method, with open method, and save into CSV file. We use this argument in the encoding to UTF-8 encoding mechanism, and save as F, and I let. Then we use a writer to write each list items. Each member profile in as a row in a Telegram. In a CSV file, Excel format. Then this writer, CSV.writer, just pass the parameter here, pass, and delimiter we can use comma separated delimiter, and line terminator is to separate each rows in comma separated value using new line. We pass a new line. Then first write the header. The headers are the field name in Excel or any table. So we just always consider the first line is the headers or the fields that identifies the types of the data we are going to enter in that Excel file. Then username, we can get username of Telegram user ID, access hash, first name, last name, group name that you are going to scrape, and group ID, then selected group ID. Then for every user, then we store all list of scripted Telegram users into this list, and from that lists we just iterate over and over and get a single user profile from this list, and write to this CSV file as a raw value. User.username. Username is an attribute in Telegram group user. User.id, attribute name. User.access hash. User.first name. User.last name. Target group. This one is the target group we have created it gets the name of the group we have selected to script, and the target group ID dot ID, not user ID. Then once we did this, it will print a message members scripted successfully. Then this is all the things we did to script Telegram groups. Then so you save your script, and if you are working on Visual Studio Code, you can simply run here. If you are working on any other text editor, you can run on command prompt like this: Python, then scripter your file name .py. That you should change your working directory to the for example, my working directory is desktop, so you should have to change to that working directory and the path to get the path of your file. Then here you are going to enter the phone number that to authenticate your account. Then when you enter your phone number, then it will send a message to your Telegram account. Then enter that message, that code that sent to your Telegram account. Then it's sign it to that your username, and it will list out all the Telegram members, Telegram groups, channels. For example, this is my channel name, and this is my group. All others are not my group members. Not my groups, Telegram groups. Those are others Telegram group. So I am going to scrap one of the members from this group. For example, let me script six. Let me select 6, and it displays a message like when it is finished, it member script is successfully. Then you can go to the directory where your files are, your paths are located. For example, in my paths, the working directory is desktop, so it will store in the desktop and find the file that saved here. The CSV file is members.csv, so it will save into this file name. So this you can open this file name on Excel format, and you can see Here our group members are scripted here. So the limited number of group members in this Telegram group. So you can do anything here. Channel name and members are scripted successfully. So these are all the things you are going to do to script any Telegram group members. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.